I'm Lucy Ferguson, founder of Mediarite. Following today's session, I'm definitely going to think about the emotions that I bring to meetings. We had a really good talk from a psychologist who was explaining that if you're going to go into a difficult conversation, you really want to check what triggers you and focus in on how your body feels before you react. So I thought that was great advice. The shift or action I'm going to take after this is I'm going to print my values out and make sure they're on the wall. I'm going to use them in every single thing that I do rather than just at certain points in the journey. And also I'm going to think a lot more about the emotions that I bring to any situation. I really wanted to be part of the High Potential Talent Summit because the speakers looked amazing. There's sports psychologists, there's people who've grown businesses, agencies similar to mine, and a room full of leaders to discuss the problems and opportunities that we're all going to face over the next year. In terms of trends, there's lots of really good books about how to manage people, about how to grow businesses. And there was a few books and references mentioned, but this is like an explosion of all of those things brought together and explained to you by some really talented speakers. So I think it's not so much about trends that didn't already exist. A lot of us know about some of those books and we've been watching the TV shows and listening to the podcasts. It's more about people kind of bringing those trends to life for me.